Hi friends, in this video we are going to deal with the important judgment titled as Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited versus JSW Steel Limited and others, pronounced on 10th December 2021. This judgment deals with that the captive consumers or users are not liable to pay the additional surcharge leviable under Section 42(4) of the Electricity Act 2003. To know about the synopsis of the case, please watch the video fully. The facts of the case would be that the appellant, as distribution licensee, filed a petition before the State Commission for MYT approval for financial year 14-15, provisional truing up of ARR for financial year 15-16, and multi-year tariff for third control period financial year 16-17 to 19-20. The State Commission held that this additional surcharge leviable under Section 42(4) of the Electricity Act 2003 is not applicable to captive users to the extent of their self-consumption from such plants. The Commission also held that the additional surcharge shall be applicable to all consumers who have availed open access to receive supply from sources other than the distribution licensee to which they are connected. The appellant distribution licensee submitted its revised petition. The Captive Power Producers Association filed their objections, including the objections with respect to levy of additional surcharge on such captive users. The State Commission passed the order holding that additional surcharge is leviable under Section 42(4) of the Act on the captive consumers or users. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order passed by the State Commission, the respondents, as captive consumers, approached the Appellate Tribunal, which set aside the order passed by the State Commission and held that the group of captive consumers are not liable to pay additional surcharge. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned order passed by the Appellate Tribunal, the appellant is before the Supreme Court. The issue which is posed for consideration is whether the captive consumers or users are liable to pay the additional surcharge leviable under Section 42(4) of the Electricity Act 2003. The Supreme Court has held that, as provided under Section 9 of the Act, the State Commission's permission is not required for captive generation plant. Right to open access to transmit or carry electricity to the captive user is granted by the Act and is not subject to and does not require State Commission's permission. Subsection 4 of Section 42 shall be applicable only in a case where the State Commission permits a consumer or class of consumers to receive supply of electricity from a person other than the person distribution licensee of his area of supply. So far as captive consumers or captive users are concerned, no such permission of the State Commission is required. And by the operation of law, namely Section 9, captive generation and distribution to captive users is permitted. Therefore, so far as the captive consumers or captive users are concerned, they are not liable to pay the additional surcharge under Section 42(4) of the Act. Therefore, as such, the Appellate Tribunal has rightly held that so far as the captive consumers or users are concerned, the additional surcharge under subsection 4 of Section 42 of the Act shall not be leviable. As per the scheme of the Act, there can be two classes of consumers: the ordinary consumer or class of consumers who is supplied with the electricity for his own use by a distribution licensee, and captive consumers who are permitted to generate for their own use as per Section 9 of the Act. The consumers defined under Section 215 and the captive consumers are different and distinct, and they form a separate class by themselves. Such captive consumers or users who form a separate class other than the consumers defined under Section 215 of the Act shall not be subjected to and are liable to pay additional surcharge leviable under Section 42(4) of the Act. Friends, to conclude, in this video we have seen that the captive consumers or users are not liable to pay the additional surcharge leviable under section 42(4) of the Electricity Act 2003 as per Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited versus JSW Steel Limited and others case. In the next video I will see you with yet another case synopsis. Until then, I take leave of you. Bye.